Now let's look at an example where we have coefficients and subscripts. So with our first problem here, we've got two H2O, or two water molecules. In order to count atoms here, we're going to start off the same way we have in the past by listing our elements. So we've got hydrogen and oxygen present. In each water molecule, it tells me that I have two hydrogens. Let me change the color here. I've got two hydrogens and one oxygen. So I'm going to bring down those subscripts, 2 and 1, next to my elements. Now, because I have a coefficient here, it's telling me how many molecules of H2O I have total. So here I've got 2 molecules. So I'm going to bring down this coefficient and multiply it by our subscripts. So if I solve each problem, 2 times 2 gives me 4. I've got 4 hydrogens in this example. Over here, 1 times 2 is 2. So I've got 2 oxygens in this example. Let's look at a larger molecule, 3C6H12O6. So this is 3 molecules of glucose. I'm going to start the same way I did before, listing my elements. So carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So the first thing I'm going to look at again are my subscripts. In each molecule of glucose, I have 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. So I'm going to bring down those subscripts next to my elements, 6, 12, 6. Now, because my example is telling me that there are 3 molecules of C6H12O6, I can look at that coefficient and bring it down here and multiply my subscript by my coefficient. So 6 times 3, 12 times 3, and 6 times 3. Again, this is because I have 3 molecules of C6H12O6. So once I solve each problem, 6 times 3 is 18. I have 18 carbons. 12 times 3 is 36. I have 36 hydrogens. 6 times 3 again is 18. I have 18 oxygens.